Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix minimum deposit not met in Etoro. Now, it really varies a lot because as you can see here in this article, why can't I deposit funds to my Etoro investments account? Well, because deposit at least the minimum amount required. The minimum amount to deposit varies according to your country. So this is the reason number one for this problem. And basically here is a list for all the countries and for all the minimum first deposit that you should know about before you get into this application. So as you will be seeing here, what's the deposit minimum? So in many countries, you can start investing with a minimum deposit of US $15. So users residing in Australia, Austria, Belgium, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, as you can see all of these here, Monaco, Norway, etc., are simply you simply need $50 to start your first trade in Etoro. What about United Arab Emirates? You need $100. The rest of all other eligible countries, $200. Georgia, Isle of Man, Jersey Island, and New Zealand, Union Island, $1,000. Here for Bulgaria, Cayman Island, Croatia, Gibraltar, and South Africa, Vietnam, $2,000, and the rest. So as you can see here, also after the first deposit, there is a minimum deposit amount of only $15, US $10 in the UK, US $1 in the USA, and all deposits via bank transfer must be at least $500. So you must always check these things or these requirements. And yeah, once you meet these requirements, guys, this error should be fixed and you will no longer face it anymore. And that was completely it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a beautiful comment. And if you still have a problem, make sure to mention it in the comment section. I read all of your comments. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.